Dr. Dre just said he doesn't see AI as a threat. He said the only people who do are those who have a problem creating. He took this a step further and even told us exactly how he's using AI, more so as a tool. He would see what it would do with what he just created. So we're going to test this Dr. Dre method out. We're going to pull up Logic Pro X. I'm going to create a beat from scratch. And then we're going to take that same beat. We're going to throw it in AI to see what it generates back. What we'll keep. You tell me what we should kill. I think for the most part, a lot of people, a lot of producers especially, are either against AI or they're just using AI to generate the whole beat for them. Dr. Dre to me is saying something totally different. He's saying still go through the original process, but use AI as a tool on the back end, kind of like mastering. We're not trying to take away producers or replace producers. I think Dr. Dre is saying AI is more going to pressure test the producer and be a idea generator for us. So let's test this method out. Thank you once again for joining my channel. It's your boy Kris KeyZ. Let's dive right in. All right, I'm in Logic Pro X. I have everything set up here. I just put up a new session and picked a couple sounds, a piano sound. I have some drum sounds and a bass sound that's hopefully it's going to work out. But once again, we're just going to cook up something real simple. And since it's Dr. Dre, how about we try to go with a West Coast style beat here. So the first thing I'm going to do is let's move this tempo to say 93. And then let's go down here and find a snare. I think that'll work. I like doubling up both of those snares here. We're gonna here we go. All right, we're just gonna loop that. And if I move a little bit fast, guys, be sure to check out some of my Logic Pro tutorials and how I use some of the hotkeys and tips and tricks. I have a playlist set up for you guys. The next thing we're gonna do is let's get a kick in. All right, let's see if we can now find something with the piano, some type of melody. It's a piano. I'm in D minor. Little percussion. All right, perfect. So now that we have now we got a simpler loop. Let's just drag this out. Let's just do an 8-bar loop. Actually, let's do a 16-bar loop. So that way now we can have it. Maybe, I don't know, we might have it write some lyrics too. Let's see. But let's bounce this out and let's spit this into either Suno, or let's spit this into, I'm gonna put this on my desktop. Let's spit this into maybe we can use Treblo as well. I've been messing with, if you've been following the channel, let's put West Coast idea. I've been messing with Treblo a little bit, and it's been spitting back some really cool ideas. The thing I like about Treblo is, once again, using the Dr. Dre method, is we can take these ideas that we just created and use it into AI more so as a tool, kind of how I am on the back end. Yes, I could have used AI to create a beat in like half the time or even less, but now I can take at least my original creation idea and throw it in Treblo, throw it in Suno, throw it in whatever AI of your choice. And now I feel like now I have more of the creative process. I can use it more as a co-producer. So let's pull up our Suno. Let's drag it over here. And let's add audio. The audio matches an existing recording. How so? How can that be possible when we clearly just made this beat live? All right, it doesn't want to use it. So let's try Treblo. So we'll go to Advanced, and let's go to Upload. Or you got to confirm. Let's confirm everything. So I'm in Treblo now. I'm uploading the song. We're going to have it West Coast idea, which is being processed. Only takes a few seconds. And let's see what we can do with it. Let's go to edit. And I want to add a strings. Let's see if we can add some strings to this. So we're going to put we're going to make this an instrumental, and let's put West Coast hip hop on there. And let's put we could put 2010s hip hop, and then let's see what it generates. I'm really surprised that Suno didn't allow me to upload the beat. I don't know if it's something that's going on with what I did, or if it's too close maybe to something else. But that was that's very interesting. Let's see if I could just upload something else, just not even that beat, maybe just something else. While that's doing that, we multitasking over here. While that's going on, let's go back to Treblo. It looked like it's finalizing. And let's play this idea, this extended version. To me, it sounds exactly the same. Let's see what this other one is. Was that a door slam? See, this is where I do get a little bit frustrated with the AI, at least with this one right here. And maybe I can try this again. Maybe I could tell it now to generate strings to complement strings that are staccato and live orchestra sounds. Let's just see what that does. Something very simple. And do I need to upload the song again? I think that's the difference when I go to advanced mode. I can't exactly tell Treblo what to do. So let me go. So here's the thing. Maybe I could do, and Suno doesn't want to work with me today. All right. So maybe I can go back to simple, and I can generate strings that are staccato and live orchestra in the key of D minor, and make the tempo. What was I at? 93 BPM. I really wanted to spit this song in there and it create something, but maybe we can do it another way. We're going to try to use AI in a different way. So I'm gonna have it generate strings that are staccato and live orchestra sounds in the key of D minor, and make the tempo 93 BPM. Keep style West Coast hip hop. All right, so let's have it generate using just that prompt right there. And once again, I'm using Treblo. And comment below. Maybe there's something about this Treblo I don't fully not getting. But for the most part, it's not as user friendly when I specifically wanted to add something. I think it's more like an idea generating from the start. Like, hey, create something from scratch, and then maybe you can download that or split the stems. But let's see what it does. Maybe I should. Okay, it's on instrumental mode. Let's try this first one, staccato strings. It's 38% downloaded. So it's doing like a whole orchestra thing, which is not what we wanted. It started out cool. So it's giving me orchestra vibes. All right, so let's do this, which is what I said orchestra sounds. Let's try one more thing. Let's generate some strings. Let's do this. Let's generate some staccato strings that pluck between D minor, I think it was and G minor. I think that's what I played. And then we'll keep everything else. Let's make the tempo 93 BPM, keeping the style of West Coast hip hop. And simple. All right. Let's see, we're trying different methods. And once again, this is a part of the creative process to me. If I'm going to use AI as a tool, if you decide to use AI as a tool, without just having it come in and prompt everything. See, that's actually cool. We can work with that. Okay. This is actually the best beat I've ever heard come from Treblo. I don't know if it's a numbers game, but nothing I put in before sounded close to this. Maybe it's learning my style. Maybe maybe I just generated something a lot more simpler for it to comprehend. I'm not mad at this beat. I didn't want a whole beat. I wanted strings. Let's try staccato flow and see what it does. It definitely has the West Coast vibe with the little whistling there. I think the pitch is off a little bit. See, once again, it's doing the whole beat, and that's a fine beat. That's fire and all that. But how can I just get this, just the strings, so I can now? Because I'm thinking now the way to use Treblo. If I can't go to the advanced mode, and let's not like once again, if you know something I don't know, if I can't upload a song and tell it what to add, more like Suno, you can go in and tell it, hey, specifically add this. Now let's put this same prompt that we did earlier. Let's try this. Let's generate some strings. Let's put this same prompt in Suno, and let's see what it creates. Maybe it'll just spit back just the strings. Now, since we couldn't upload the actual song into Suno for whatever reason, I don't know what was going on. We'll try it this way. But I think this will be a good test to see using our beat that we made in Logic Pro. Now using the Dr. Dre method but we also seeing how much more work this is. It's not just as easy as, you know. I mean, this could take a minute, especially if you're just getting started into use a new tool. Um, let me know what you think. But I think so. I don't know. I guess Suno just for whatever reason doesn't want to work with me today. Let's try prompt it one more time. Uh, but yeah, I mean, guys, let me know. Okay, here we go. It's generating now. But yeah, leave me in a comment what you think about the process that I've done so far. And once again, I just wanted to make a beat that's really simple in like 5 minutes, something just to get started, to see what Suno would have did, how far it would have taken it. So far, I haven't had an opportunity. We haven't had the opportunity to do that. Suno is going through some updates starting next month, September, depending on when you're watching this. I believe it's September the 3rd or the 5th, to where you're going to have to basically uh, be on a subscription base to get full access to their full DAW or unlimited downloads. While Treblo is 100% free, but let's see what the difference is in quality. I use the exact same prompt. Uh, let's see what we get now from Suno. So it gave me a whole beat as well. It's cool, but I didn't get a chance to put in my beat. I actually like the beat better in Treblo so far. Overall, this beat is fire too. Overall, this one Suno doesn't have a better. It does have a better grasp on the pitch, on the more modern sound. As far as creativity and emotions, though, I still feel the same way I've said it a couple times about Treblo being a little bit better. So yeah, I mean, we didn't get to see exactly test out the whole method what I wanted to test out by taking our track today and putting it into Logic. But I don't know, guys. Tell me what you think. I mean, how are you? What do you think about Dr. Dre saying he doesn't have a problem or see AI as a threat? Let me know. How are you using AI? Are you still not using AI? Are you having it generate the whole beat for you, or have you figured out the Dr. Dre method of how to create and then use your creation and turn it into something even better using AI? Let me know. We didn't get a chance to get that far on this video, but thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video. Once again, leave a comment below, hit the like, subscribe button, and the notification bell. Until the next one, it's your boy Kris KeyZ. Y'all be safe. Love y'all. Peace.